Healthy skin habits. Hey, everyone, welcome to GM World. Please subscribe my channel. Here are a few healthy habits that can promote glowing skin. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can provide your skin with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and radiant. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining the health and appearance of your skin. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for skin repair and rejuvenation. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun damage can cause premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Use a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 and wear protective clothing when spending time in the sun. Exfoliate. Exfoliating your skin can help remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, which can improve the appearance of your skin. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol intake. Both smoking and alcohol can dehydrate the skin and contribute to premature aging. Take your makeup off. Leaving makeup on overnight can clog pores and lead to skin problems such as acne. Be sure to remove all makeup before going to bed. Relax. Stress can cause skin problems such as acne and eczema. Try to find ways to relax and reduce stress in your life, such as yoga or meditation. By following these habits, you can help keep your skin looking healthy and glowing.